So let's see how to replace the cabin filter from this Volkswagen Passat with a 1.6 liters TDI engine. First step, move the passenger seat all the way back. Then if you go under here, you're gonna find two plastic screws. And this carpeting will come out. Now here on this corner you're gonna find the cover for the filter. You need to press on this tab here and it will come out, and take out the filter. And finally place the new filter on. You need to basically stick it in there and make sure it's in the right direction. It has to be with this side that way, so I have to twist this. Then you need to slide this cover back and reattach the carpeting. Alright, so that's it, job done. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.